Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to hide text from a screenshots on Windows 11 using Snipping tool. For this, first open the Snipping tool, then select this one Snip option. You will see underline once it is selected. Then click on the. You can also change here snipping mode such as rectangle, window, full screen, freeform. I just select rectangle and after that click on this one new to take a screenshot. Your cursor will turn into plus icon as you can see on the screen. Now drag the desired portion on your screen you want to screenshot. Then in the snipping tool click on this one button that is known as text actions. After that select the text you want to hide such as snipping. I want to hide this one snipping tool option. Then right click on this one and select here redact text. This will hide the text from the screenshot. Now you can click on this one save as option and save the file on your PC. After naming it, now you can open the image and you will see that selected text is hidden from the image. Like this, you can hide any sensitive information using snipping tool before sharing with others. Thanks for watching this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it. And if you have already subscribed it and you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.